Hey everyone. So this video is going to be about different ways you can use Young Living essential oils. One way is you can use them internally. So I added to a glass water bottle, and all you have to do is add a few drops in your water, and you can go about your day drinking them. I like drinking lemon water. Peppermint is too strong for me, so I like drinking the lemon all day, and that's really healthy. So I also don't use plastic bottles because the citrus oils, I do know, breaks down the toxins in the plastic bottles, so it'll literally eat away the plastic bottle. So it's always best to use glass bottles or anything glass or ceramic. So also, there's another way. I don't have the capsules, but I know Young Living sells the capsules where you can open it. And, you know, some people don't like the taste of the actual oil, so they rather take it in pill form. So you take a few drops, you put it right in the capsule, and take it with water or juice. A lot of people use peppermint. So like I said, peppermint is really strong. So if you don't like the taste of peppermint, you can use the capsule. And peppermint's really good for headaches and for energy, so a lot of people like to take it in the morning. So another way you can use it is topically. So all you would have to do is you take a few drops of whatever oil, and you can put it right directly on the area. Some people like to dilute it, so I know Young Living has a carrier oil, V6 oil, and it's really good. Then the ones that I use grapeseed oil, jojoba almond oil, vitamin E, and olive oil. So those are really good to use because some oils are, you know, some people have sensitive skin, so if you have sensitive skin, you want to dilute it. So those are really good. And when you're using it topically, the best way to get the oils into your body is starting with your feet, because your feet has the biggest pores on your body, so it'll get through your body quicker than anything. You can also rub it on the back of your neck. You can rub it on the back of your ears. I rub it on my chest sometimes, or I rub it on my wrist, because that also works really fast. My favorite essential oil, when I'm sick, I use Thieves and RC. So what I do is I put a few drops in my hands, and then I'll rub it right on my chest. I'll also put a few drops in, I'll put more in my hand, and I'll cut my hands and breathe it right in. So it also works really well too. Also, you can use it aromatically. So the diffuser. So I don't know if you can see my diffuser back there running. I got that at my premium starter kit when I signed up. So all you do is you fill it up with purified or distilled water, and then whatever essential oil that you like, you can, a few drops, hit the button, it turns right on. I like to diffuse stress away, because I'm always stressing a lot, so I like to use stress away. So it keeps me calm, it keeps me in a really good mood. I also like the smell of purification, so I'll diffuse that sometimes, and it's really good. Energy, sometimes. Usually I'll put energy in my diffuser necklace, because they do have those. I'm not wearing one right now, but I do usually wear it, so that helps too. So throughout the day you could just walk around sniffing it, and it's really good. But yeah, that's the couple of ways you can use the essential oils. That's the ways that I use them, and it's been really helpful. So if you have any questions, let me know. Comment below on how you use the oils, and let other people know, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.